Let's see if you can guess this incredible animal. Here are 5 clues. Females of my species are much larger than males, sometimes weighing over 1,000 pounds. I'm a prize catch in deep-sea fishing due to my immense size and strength. I'm one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. My vibrant blue and silvery coloration helps me blend into the ocean's depths. My long, spear-like bill helps me slash through schools of fish, stunning them for easy capture. Think you figured it out? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Fact Mania Media for more fun animal trivia. And the answer is blue marlin.